effect from Wednesday afternoon through Thursday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, northwestern Burlington, Salem, Somerset, and western Monmouth; in Pennsylvania, Berks, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, lower Bucks, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. From Wednesday afternoon through Thursday afternoon, the combination of melting snow and periods of heavy rain could produce widespread low-lying, poor drainage flooding Wednesday afternoon and evening. Minor to moderate river flooding is possible Wednesday night and Thursday across the Raritan and Passaic basins of New Jersey and the Schuylkill Basin in Pennsylvania. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Here is the latest weather map.
There you have it. I apparently lost my voice for some stupid reason. But there you have it. Oh my god, there you have it. Flood watch. Please excuse my voice. I'm sick. Show you some of the scrolls. It was issued about 10 minutes ago. Traditional look. And this one just says unrecognized watch because it's on quote KZZ31. Alright, there you have it. Obviously this isn't my area. Here it is.